Hello everyone, this is my review of the Kynup Reusable Straws. I got a 4-pack of them here, the blue, black, gold, and silver. They come with a key hook, so you can hook them onto a keychain or your keys or anything like that. They're very compact and they extend and they retract, so make them easy to keep in your pocket or anywhere you need them. So you can have a straw on you a lot of times if you need to. You can see here what the straw looks like when extended, and you also have a insert here, brush that you can use to clean the straw out. So it extends and retracts as well, so it can clean the entire length of the straw, so you can keep it clean. But yeah, this is what the straw looks like. It's made of metal. Also, it has a rubbery tip, so you can not have to put your teeth on metal there. So yeah, this is a pretty good product, and I hope this review helps.